What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another one. As you can see, we have JJ and Preston here with us. We're headed to the lake to scout it out and do some fishing. So we'll see you guys there. You want to say hi?
Hey.
Hi there. Well, we're gonna get out here and try to catch some fish, figure out a pattern. I've been out here a couple times so far this year, 2 or 3 times, and just have not been able to pick apart the fishing. So trying to learn how to fish it. It's very deep in the middle and it drops off very quick from the shore. So there's not a lot of shallow areas. So I'm just trying to figure out how to fish it. So hopefully we have some good luck today. We'll see what we can do. I think we're gonna start off the day targeting bass and then maybe target some walleye here later on. But stay tuned and we'll see what we can get into.
Oh, there we go. He came off.
He was flickering in the sun.
Dang it, dude.
Did it break?
No. That might have been a muskie. No. That's so sad. I would have a muskie. Or Mike. He snapped me right off, dude.
Where are they now?
They're right back there.
Oh, right there. There's a big one.
Is there a big one?
Yeah, see it?
Oh yeah, he's smacking those shads.
Oh,
dude.
there you got him.
You got him, Preston. Holy
Oh, it's a
crap.
white bass. They're white bass.
That's not.
That's white bass.
That right behind it wasn't.
That
behind
it's
it
right
was a
here.
smallie.
It's right. That big bass is f***ing going after them.
He's right here still, isn't he?
I thought
Is
so.
that him right there?
No, that's a little one. Right?
Preston with the first fish.
Just so you know, I caught one before JJ and Tyler.
Oh shucks, it's dead.
We all know who the real fisherman is here. What do you have out there?
A worm. It's caught you.
No, I missed him. Took my worm. Get back out there.
You have to say for yourself.
I suck.
Let's see those abs, Preston. Oh, look at you go. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. How was it? Is it moving? Focus. Laser sharp focus. He's biting. If she's biting your worm, that's not good. They're tiny. Is that what she told you? It's tiny.
Yeah.
Fish on!
Night crawler. What do we got here?
Something small.
Something small, apparently. We got a drum.
Drum! Drum drum.
Fish. Fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish, we got a drum drum.
But guess what we just caught? We just caught bait for catfishing tonight.
Got him? You're down. Not a damn thing. That long.
Weed. Weed, Tyler, weed.
That's a nice perch.
What'd you catch, Tyler?
Little perch, yellow perch. Nice. Throw him in there. That's what those little ones are.
Yeah. Hold it up.
Dude, lick him. Little perch, bro. Look how big he is. Ready? Oh yeah. Did you get it?
So big.
So big. Okay, guys. We got a little mid-afternoon update. Let's see those abs. Oh, okay. So we just finished fishing for the day. We're heading back in to the boat ramp. Gonna load up and head out. We caught a multi-species bag today. That's pretty fun. Caught a perch, a drum, and a white bass. And JJ?
What'd you catch, JJ? Well, I had a few bites, so I got skunked.
Skunk! He caught a skunk. It was cool swimming through the water. And then he set the hook, and there was nothing there. So, anyway.
Darn it.
No, we had a good day today. It was fun. We got a lot of sun. And we're heading back in to go to the gym because Preston's working on them little abs right there. So we're going to go to the gym and then eat some dinner. And we'll be back out tomorrow. Or tonight to do some catfishing. Stay tuned.
Bye.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another one here with Smitty Outdoors yet again. And we're headed to do a little bit of catfishing.
Yeah, we are.
That's all JJ knows how to do nowadays.
Apparently.
So we're gonna go try to catch some cats. We're heading down to the dam here, fairly close to the house. But we're gonna go try to catch some cats. We'll let you guys know how it goes. And we'll see you guys in a few seconds. Toodles. Oh, was there?
Bait.
Did you get some?
Yeah, I got some.
Nice, dude. What did we just catch?
We got some shads for bait for catfish.
Got some catfish bait shads.
Got one. Two, three.
We got 3, 4. We's gonna try again.
There we go.
How did you get that time?
I got like 5 or 6.
Sweet.
I'm gonna do one more, just for,
One more, so we have about 20 for
something like that, yeah.
some bait.
Oh, got a couple. That'll work for now.
Ready? Nothing. I'm gonna check, make sure I got bait though. Still got bait.
Looks good.
Yeah, he was smashed.
Huh.
Well, first one missed. Probably a little guy that didn't even get the hook. Hook him under his back of his dorsal fin. Make sure you get that scale off of there. Oh, I know. That's insane. Boom. We're hitting at it. Yep. Little guy. Little drum. Little drum. Come here, guy. He must be what's messing with our stuff this whole time. There he is. Say hi to the camera, little drum. Say hi to the camera. Alright, here he goes. He gone. First catch of the night. Interesting.
Well, he caught a drum.
Caught a drum, but
We had a bunch of bites.
nothing else.
Yeah.
Bug.
Got some shad in the throw net.
Yeah, we caught about 25 fish today.
Yeah.
And shad.
Yeah.
Didn't catch any cats,
No.
but we'll try again to catch something.
Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the next day.
This will just be a series of us
Yeah.
trying to catch fish all week.
Honestly.
So the plan was to make several videos of us catching several different species, but
It's not working out.
we've only caught like 5 fish total, so
Yeah.
we're gonna keep going. Stay tuned.